second, every minute. Man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high.
Hello, happy Friday. Welcome back to another vlog brought to you by the one and only Simone Nicole TV. So y'all, it's Friday. Happy Friday. It's Friday and tonight. Oh, so I am not in the best moods because I just feel so lazy. Like, I'm just feeling super lazy. I don't feel like doing anything. I haven't been to the gym all week, y'all, and I had so many opportunities to go. You know you being lazy when you can go to the gym for free and you choose not to go. You know you being lazy when there's a treadmill in your vicinity at the location where you're at and you choose not to run on it. You know you're being lazy when you have a whole Oculus Quest 2 that has workout games on it and you choose not to work out. That's where I'm at right now in life. I'm just unmotivated to go to the gym for good reasons, but that's not my typical routine. I'm one who does work out. I hope the screen isn't dirty. It looks a bit funny, but I don't have a Zeiss swipe, so I hope I'm not making it worse. I think I made it worse. Hopefully it doesn't look that bad. I made it super greasy, actually, with the oils on my finger. But, so I know I'm not the only one who goes through episodes where you just don't want to do anything. You just want to stay in the house all day. You don't really want to go socialize with people. You don't want to do anything but stay in the house and watch TV and watch YouTube and watch Bel Air. But that's not what life is about, honey. That's not all what life is about. You gotta do things. You can't just stay in the house all day. So anybody who's feeling like that, feeling unmotivated, you know, we gotta pick ourselves up and keep going. We have to keep going. And for me, I know that whenever I feel like this and I know I'm not working out, the best thing that I can do to kind of balance out what I'm not doing right is just making sure I'm eating enough food and eating healthy food. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna take you guys with me to the grocery store. I'm gonna go to Walmart because it's the closest grocery store. I'm not trying to go across town. I'm not trying to go halfway across town. I'm trying to go 10 minutes up the road and come right back. It is, what time is it? So it's 12:32. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Walmart, and I saw this TikTok. Was it a TikTok or was it just somebody's story? This girl I went to college with posted this on her story, and I reposted it on my story because I was like, oh, that looks so good. And she told me what she changed and what she kept in the recipe, but I'm gonna make the same thing that I saw because it looks so good. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put a clip right here.
Welcome to episode 5 of Life-Changing Salads. Besties, grab a large salad bowl and you need chopped kale, fresh mango, cucumber, red onion, steamed corn, avocado, and red pepper. To make the creamy cashew cilantro lime dressing, add all of these ingredients into your blender and blend until smooth. The combination of the creamy dressing with the crunchy fresh salad is next level.
And it looks so good. It looks so healthy and so good. So I want to make that for myself and possibly for my mom. She might want some of it. We'll see. We'll see, because she is somebody that is hard to please. She is someone that is hard to please when it comes to getting her to eat healthy. Like, she's very picky when it comes to healthy foods. Like, she don't want certain things because it just don't look right. So hopefully this look right enough for her. But yeah, I'm gonna take y'all with me to the grocery store. We're gonna go grocery shopping. We're gonna come back and I'm gonna make it for you guys on camera. So that's what this vlog's gonna be about. Making a healthy snack, a healthy and hearty snack, because my channel is about health as well as everything else. Everything luxury, everything travel, everything hair. Let me show y'all the fit. Girl is wearing a sweater that says Myrtle Beach, South Carolina on it. OOTD, I got some makeup on it. Hopefully you don't see it. This is my outfit of the day at OTD, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. My mom got this for me. I'm wearing a crop top from Topshop. It's a ribbed. It's very nice, thick fabric. I've had this for about, I want to say maybe over 6 months. I really like the material. And then I'm wearing these black leggings from a brand that no longer sells leggings, so I'm not even gonna tell you what their name is. I'm wearing my black socks with my LV sandals, and I'll be taking my girl out. I'll be taking her out to Walmart just because it's very casual.
Please leave a message after the tone.
Do y'all have a house phone in y'all house too? Like, people still have house phones in their houses. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna wear this. This is my GM Neverfull in Damier Ebene print. I'm gonna wear this to the grocery store because it's a nice bag, very casual. I can put the items that I purchased in here after I leave the store and just carry it all in here instead of having to have a bunch of bags. Before I put it in, I'm gonna probably wear cinched in. So I'll show you guys how that looks cinched in. So all you do is push it in like this. Take the strap, pull it in. See if it'll do it. That's how you wear it cinched in. Do the other side. This while I'm in there, and then when I leave, I'll expand it back out, and put my items inside of it. So this is what I'm wearing to Walmart. Very comfortable, very casual. It's supposed to be on the cold, breezy side outside today, so this is the fit. See y'all.
Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Ayy, I'm having my way. Set out here having his way.
I couldn't leave Walmart without picking up a bottle. It's been a while since I had some of my drink I love to drink. I only drink it every now and then, but I think now is the time to drink it. And let's see, do I even have it? Oh yeah, I see her right there. I'm gonna show you guys. I love this. This is my favorite wine. I need to go to a winery so I can try other wines. This is my favorite, Stella Rosa. So I am almost done. I have to pick up one more item, then I'm gonna head back to the house, and then we'll do a little grocery haul. See you guys when I get back. Y'all, it is incredibly hot outside. Whew. Like, I feel like I need to put on a swimsuit. That's how hot it is. Oh, I gotta charge my camera. Hold on, I'll be right back.
My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door?